have another inspection on our Honda Civic tomorrow.
So this has a expanding drain plug.
We got the new headlight on. I'm officially retiring this piece of garbage GoPro. We got some pants because I pooped them.
All right, Michael, you have your license with you.
It's very suspended. We did it! Dude, who cut the cheese? Dude, who cut the cheese? I'm gonna finally go and change the oil like I needed to. The license plates are still expired. I'm here at Ryan Barr's house. This is his address. He actually bought me a new manifold for my Neon. Now let's change the oil, change the clutch and transmission synchros at Ryan's house. I only told him we're gonna change the oil today. Really quickly, we're gonna change this headlight out because it's kind of broken and we need to change it to pass inspection. Oh, my bad. Who would have thought that a crashed car is in horrible condition? All these brackets are all broken, so right now we're fighting everything to try to get this headlight back on. We got the new headlight on. It's for the montage. Yeah. Hope you don't mind. 1, 2, 3 points of safety.
Did you buy an OEM Honda filter?
Yep. Whew, good job.
Let me split it a little bit here.
Cool. It looks decent. I don't see like any glitter.
You were using this plug?
I have to.
You got a crush washer or no?
Yeah. Do you have another plug?
No.
Do you ever change your plug?
Every time.
The bolt?
The drain plug?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never replaced one in my entire life.
So this has a expanding drain plug. It's meant to swedge out the threads in the pan if it's stripped out.
Awesome. I'm so happy.
Pre-stripped out oil pan.
Yay. I have D2 coilovers on this Honda Civic, and Ryan Barr said they're like $1,500 if I wanted to buy these.
You need a funnel or you got one? Yeah, you got this. I trust.
I literally can't record anything now. Okay, it's the next day. We got this car all back together. I'm officially retiring this piece of garbage GoPro because it keeps deleting all my footage after only 20 seconds. I don't know what to do about it anymore. I'm using this awesome GoPro Hero 9 that I bought Jessica for Christmas. The next thing we're going to do before the inspection is replace the center console lid. All you really have to do is stick a screwdriver in here and pry up like this. There's a little pin right here. You just have to push this little pin out. All right, all back together. We are in Lodi, Ohio, and we found this abandoned mall. It's called the Ohio Station Outlet. There's like 3 stores that are open here, and we're gonna go around and explore everything. If there's anything cool, we will show you, but there's our Civic.
Please go to the Justice.
The Justice is not open anymore. Look at these freaking train tracks. Apparently, there's supposed to be trains that used to run along these back in the day. And this is a literal food court. It is completely open, and there is no food places open right now.
This is so weird.
This, I'm pretty sure, used to be a Sweet Frog. Can I get a double cheeseburger and whole delivery? This was the last thing that was ever open in this entire food court. It's called Walk and Roll. There's only one store, and it's in Eddie Bauer. This whole aisle is abandoned on both sides. Over here was a docking station. You could get on and off the trains from here. Okay, this is really cool. Dude, Jessica, look at her face,
Guys, do you think they'll let me slide the Super?
Should I bring my Heelys here? We got some pants, cause I pooped them. Now, let's go get our inspection on our Honda Civic Si. Do you think they're gonna pass us or fail us, Jessica?
I think they're gonna fail us!
We did too much work for them to fail us. Where are we going, Jessica? It's the right spot.
Oh yeah, go through right here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Ooh, eat that pothole. Eat that pothole. Ooh, yeah.
Stop shaking the camera. I'm not a baby. That's a rebuild title. Where are we going? Salvage inspection. Should I park in the handicap? 50-50 relationship. All right. What? You broke it. Here, I'll hold this side.
Good.
Okay, let's go.
Salvage inspection.
Are you here to be the 13-year-old boy? Are you here to be the we are here for a salvage inspection for our Honda Civic. It was 2 o'clock, but we kind of got lost. We're not from this area.
Got lost?
Yeah.
Are you Michael?
I sure am.
Alright, what's this here?
This is a notarized receipt for all the parts we replaced.
Door, fender, headlight.
Yep,
Chris, are you Michael?
I am.
Alright, Michael, do you have your license with you?
It's very suspended.
Drive around here to the right side.
Okay.
Open up this big garage door and I'll bring you right in.
All right,
Okay?
sounds
Hopefully I'm
good.
not lost again. Thank you, Queen.
I'm actually gonna leave you guys in the door card just in case I say something funny.
Oh my gosh, a great Jane spotted!
He's waiting for us. All right, goodbye, guys. We did it! We got license plate for the Civic SI! The best part is, he didn't even say anything was wrong with the car. He didn't point out any of the imperfections. Let's go home. An hour away. Hey vlog! Today, someone absolutely totaled their car on the highway. Oh no, it's just this. Oh no, their motor blew.
We're gonna make a pit stop in a couple of miles somewhere for my Mikey. Because I got paid the other day, so obviously I gotta. And we're hood rich ATM. No.
Here, you vlog. I vlog too.
Guys, we're at the cheese barn. I surprised Mike and I was like, Mike, is this the way to get off? And he was like, no, there's still 30 miles. And I was like, oh no, we're spawning into this location. There's a lot of people here today. This is good.
Dude, is this made out of cheese? Dude, are these made out of cheese? Dude, I didn't know they made cheese jerky. I wonder what cheese this is.
Vanilla cheese?
Do you think they sell grilled cheese?
Dude,
out of this world.
Kids, society.
Sebastian? I wonder what kind of cheese this is. Dude, nacho cheese. Do you think this is dairy-free cheese?
I love these actually. Let's see if they have an Earl Grey.
Dude, they have merch? Extra fancy.
Yeah, I want to know what that means.
What cheese do you think they put in their Earl Grey?
I think Filipino.
Dude, who cut the cheese? Dude, who cut the cheese? Who cut the cheese?
Excuse me, man. These are so cute. Like, look, it's you.
I wonder what kind of cheese what kind of cheese
It's
is
cheese
it?
sauce,
This is
right?
chicken. What kind of cheese do you think they put in the hot chocolate?
Beef nuts.
These look so good, but look at the price. Oh my god! What kind of cheese is this? We got a milkshake! It's not made out of cheese, unfortunately. I asked them.
I literally taste all the cheese in it. It's aged. Guys, Mike is about to throw up. I took a lot of hills really quick, and Mike's about to actually obliterate these Recaros.
Hey guys, a turkey just totaled my Evo. Destroyed my hood, destroyed my wiper. At least my Jessica's okay.